Hi. Kitten Fluffy here, and today we're diving into something fun.
1. Easter eggs in games didn't actually start with Easter events. The term Easter egg in gaming comes from hidden secrets, not the holiday itself. But now, it become the perfect excuse for devs to hide extra goodies everywhere. 2. Some games add limited-time Easter events. Games like live service titles often drop special spring or Easter-themed events, featuring pastel outfits, bunny skins, and egg hunts. Miss it, and it's gone until next year. 3. Egg hunts in games can be surprisingly competitive. What seems like a cute little egg hunt can quickly turn into chaos when players race to collect the rarest eggs first. Cozy until it's not. 4. Certain games hide bunny characters only during spring. Some developers sneak in bunny NPCs or cosmetics that only appear during seasonal updates. Blink, and you might miss them hopping by. 5. Bright colors in Easter events are actually intentional design choices. Soft pastels and bright colors aren't just cute. They're meant to create a calm, happy feeling while you play. It's basically cozy mode built into the game. 6. Some players believe holiday updates change game luck. There's a fun rumor that during holiday events, like Easter, loot drops or rare finds feel better. Is it coded in or just hopeful thinking? 7. Egg-themed items often become rare collectibles. Once an Easter event ends, those egg-themed skins, items, or pets can become super rare. Some players collect them just to show off later. 8. Hidden Easter eggs sometimes lead to bigger secrets. In some games, finding one small hidden item can lead to an entire secret area or story. It starts with an egg and ends with a full mystery. 9. Spring updates often add more than just cosmetics. Along with cute outfits and decorations, some games sneak in small gameplay changes, mini-games, or secret interactions during seasonal events. 10. Some games add animals like bunnies just for the season. Even if they don't do anything, they hop around making everything feel more alive. And honestly, that's enough. Fluff Up Zone, cozy tips plus fun jokes. Cozy tip. Set up a soft, spring-themed gaming space, light colors, a comfy blanket, maybe a snack nearby. Even a small change can make your setup feel fresh and cozy. Jokes time. Q. Why did the gamer hide eggs in their game world? A. For egg straw content. Q. What's the most stressful part of an Easter event? A. Finding that one last egg everyone else already has. Q. Why are Easter updates so popular? A. Because they always crack people up. Q. Why did the player trust the bunny NPC? A. Because it seemed happy to help. That's today's Easter edition of gaming news, full of hidden surprises, cozy vibes, and a few mysteries along the way. I don't know if all of these claims are true, but they sure make the season a little more magical.
This fuzzy beast can't resist!
Midnight race across your chest, hunted ankle, zero rest, clawed curtains, curtains fall. You yell at me, I start to brawl. Food on the floor, I flip the bowl. Swat the dog, that's my goal. Bite your hand, just for fun. Zoom through halls, watch you run!
My chaos, you ask for more! Trouble Food on the floor, I'll flip the bowl. Swat at the dog. That's my goal. Bite your hand just for fun. Zoom through halls, watch you run. Don't pretend you don't adore my chaos, you ask for more. I knock it off, scratch the wall. I rule the couch, I own it all. You beg me stop, but I insist. This fuzzy beast can't resist. Trouble I bring. King of the things. Knock it off. I scratch the wall. I rule the couch. I own it all. You beg me stop.
This is Kitten Fluffy signing off for now. Stay tuned because the feed never sleeps. Don't forget to like, sub, and share the fluff. See you soon!